Okay, the one spool is finished. You can see the labor just cut one spool first, and another spool is running continuously. Alarming will let you know the one spool is finished. Okay, this is all the processing for the 1-to-2 filament machine by one extruders, and the way how to operate by the two-stage winding. So, if you are also interested about this machine, or if you want to enlarge your capacity, welcome to let us know. We will give you the best solution and the best machine for you. See you next time. Follow us.